Every time you swipe your phone, click a mouse, or use an app, you are engaging with a multidisciplinary field called human-computer interaction, or HCI. The ultimate goal of HCI is to make software and systems more user-friendly, efficient, and accessible. Good HCI minimizes user frustration and maximizes productivity. Today, we're diving into the 4 core elements that drive this field. HCI is a dynamic discipline. Designing any interactive system depends entirely on how well you balance 4 foundational components: the users, the tasks, the interface, and the environment. Let's break down each one. First, we have the users. These are the individuals interacting with the system. Good design requires studying their needs, abilities, limitations, and expectations. Because users vary widely in age, cultural background, and tech savviness, a one-size-fits-all approach never works. For instance, when designing a word processor for a professional writer, you focus on providing an organized workspace, distraction-free modes, and robust editing features like advanced grammar checking. The second element is tasks. This refers to the specific actions or goals a user needs to complete using the system. Designers must map out these activities to ensure they are straightforward and logical. Take an e-commerce website, for example. The key tasks include searching for a product, filtering results, reading reviews, and checking out. If any of these steps are overcomplicated, the user will leave. Third is the interface. This is the literal point of interaction, where the system design comes to life through input and output mechanisms. Interfaces can take many forms, including graphical user interfaces, GUIs, voice command systems, or gesture-based inputs. In professional software like video editors, the layout must be highly optimized. Tools like cut and paste need to be instantly accessible, with customizable panels tailored to an individual's workflow. Finally, we look at the environment. This refers to the physical and social context where the interaction actually takes place. Factors like ambient lighting, background noise, and whether a device is used while standing or sitting dramatically change how an interface should be built. For example, a public information kiosk in a noisy airport needs large buttons, high-contrast text, and clear, simple instructions for users who are in a hurry or distracted by their surroundings. When designers fully align the user, the task, the interface, and the environment, technology becomes invisible. It just works. What's an application interface that you absolutely love to use? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into computer systems design.